Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker. Today we're going to be doing a review for ISEE Hair. Today I am going to be reviewing their Princess collection. They did send over a frontal in 3 bundles, 20, 22, 24, and 26 inch. These are all of the bundles that I received. Here is a look at the frontal. I mean, it's like not plucked at all. Like, as you guys can see, it's pretty thick, so I did have to really go in and pluck the hairline for this unit, but I do like the fact that the frontal is very full. So they did send over this pamphlet and some eyelashes, their own little custom mink eyelashes. I've been seeing these a lot more lately, so that's cool. Getting started with the hair, I am going to be using this heat protectant. I get so many questions about it, but it is a heat protectant. You always want to protect your hair before you apply any type of pressing comb or flat iron or curling iron to your hair.
All of the bitches anxiety, cars rebided, we go retarded. Hop in the foreign, don't need the top. When I get home, I need the top. Louis Vuitton when I leave the house. She got an ass and I grease her mouth. She wanna twerk when I leave the house. Gucci the belt and don't leave it out. Yeah, I got standards. Diamond near Flanders. Ooh. Kool-Aid jammer, cookie pack on camera, yeah. I got standards, diamond nail flanders, ooh, yeah. Kool-Aid jammer, cookie pack on camera, yeah. She wanna twerk on my chain, get in that brain, swerving your lane. I fuck a knock off a bonnet, I had to get it, I want it, honest, yeah. Private jet, Nike tag, she up next. When you a boss, don't take a loss, count up a check. Soul plate, never late, go on dates. When you get up, they hate, diamonds they trip like a lake. Ollie a 10, kick flip a 8, nigga I skate. Ollie a 10, kick flip a 8, nigga I skate. I got standards, diamond near Flanders, yeah. Kool-Aid jammer, cookie pack on camera, yeah. I got standards, diamond near Flanders, ooh, yeah. Kool-Aid jammer, cookie pack on camera, ooh, yeah.
I got standards, some going nuts like planners, ooh, yeah. My bitch is dancer, hop on a dick like a presser, inventor, flip with a Polaroid camera, ooh, yeah. Talk outlandish, then I only feel like a bandit. Got a new mansion, new Ralph Lauren, got 2 ranches. Diamonds is dancing, ice so cold, gotta walk with a panda. Yo, bitch so scandalous, give me that top with no handle. I got standards, I get the pop, got more jealous. I got standards, take your bitch to the Ritz, not no standard. Yo, outlandish, when we're gonna truck on you rappers a banish. My bitch is landed, not a like English, she speaks Spanish.
I got standards, diamond near Flanders, ooh. I got standards, diamond near Flanders, ooh. Kool-Aid jammer, cookie pack on camera, yeah. I got standards, diamond near Flanders, ooh, yeah. Kool-Aid jammer, cookie pack on camera, yeah. I got standards, diamond near Flanders, ooh. Kool-Aid jammer, cookie pack on camera, yeah. I got standards, diamond near Flanders, ooh, yeah. Kool-Aid jammer, cookie pack on camera, yeah.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dog, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks and go outside, and I split it with the guy. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Ayy, look who I'm around, man. I fuck up, I'm down, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry's cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check your tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got it aimed, and I'm out here with the 700, 3 high fives. Look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dog, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks and go outside, and I split it with the guy. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us.
Stashi, 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 Stashi.
All that junk inside your trunk.
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Yeah, I drive these this crazy, I do it on the daily. They treat me really nice, they buy me all these ices, Gucci and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana, Karen they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly. And they say they love my ass. 7 jeans, true religion. They never thought he giving. So I keep on taking, and no I ain't taking. We can keep on taking. I keep on demonstrating my love, my love, my love, my love. You love my lady lumps, my hump, hump, my hump, my humps. They got you. They got you. They.
You're like a sickest fun in my mind. Got those sticky eyes, what you tryna hide? You're like a hurricane inside my face, but I like it, babe. So bring the rain. Let me fall, baby, let me try. Can't be getting back to that. Somebody call the doctor, somebody call the doctor. I tried it all, but it's not enough. Somebody call the doctor, somebody call the doctor. Don't let go. Hold me tight, I'm coming down. I need your love and I need it now. Don't let go. Somebody call the doctor before I'm feeling crazy, going and forth. All this I just thought, but I want some more. I need your kisses and your belly touch. Won't get me up, 'cause I need the rush. Let me fall, baby, let me try. Can't be getting back to that. I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you.
Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you.
I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need is a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me.
Only you. Only you. Only you.
But yeah, I just wanted to bring this like cute little barrel curl look to you guys, because I haven't done barrel curls in a long time, and I had this hair and I didn't really want to wear it straight. I was like, let me curl it. But like this hair is like that straight hair that's meant to be straight, because like, look girl, like my curls have fallen basically back there. Okay, this is better. I'm just gonna let it sit for a minute. But one thing I will say is that I do really like the lace on this unit. As you guys can see, like it's looking very transparent. I'll zoom you guys in. You know what I mean? Like it's just very, very natural all the way through. I did bleach the knots on this unit, and I also plucked this unit as well. So I really went in and like was very thorough with it. I did like over bleach it in one spot, which is why I was like forced to wear my hair in the middle part today, because I did want to wear it like in this other style, but I was like, dang, I can't really do a side part because my hair is kind of messed up. I mean, the curls, even though the curls are not as like tight as I want them to be, including the fact that this is really long hair and the fact that it's straight hair and I tried to curl it, I think it did pretty good for those factors, and I really do like this wig a lot. I used 3 bundles and a frontal, and the wig still came out pretty full. This is all the hair in the back, and it's like really long, like long. So I really like this hair though. It's very full. It's like, it's a vibe. It's cute. It's like perfect for like a date night. I think that's what I might title this, like date night hair. So there was no tangling or shedding or anything like that in this hair. I absolutely love this freaking hair. Like definitely my new favorite unit for sure, like hands down. I love like how dark it is. Like it's the perfect type of like dark brown or natural brown kind of color in my opinion. Like I just really like how it looks. From when I first opened the package to now, like all the hair came out great. It didn't have any weird smells. Like a lot of times, I'm telling y'all, I be opening up packages, like I'm not gonna say all the time, but there has been many times where I've opened up packages and the hair just smells a little off, like it'll smell fishy or like chemicals or something like that. But this is just, to me, this hair felt like virgin straight hair. That's just my opinion. I don't know if it's 100% virgin, so don't quote me on that. But to me, from what I felt, from what I saw, it does seem like virgin hair. That's just me. If you're not somebody who wants to have really long hair, maybe you could settle for like a 20-inch or a 22-inch or something like that, I would suggest to get their body wave hair and then curl that hair and get a shorter length, because there's 2 factors. When the hair is longer, it's harder for it to hold a curl. So a lot of times people do barrel curls or crimps or something like that, but something that they know is gonna be loose so they don't get mad about it falling later. That's just always my tip. I always tell everybody about that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Thank you to ISEE Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I hope to see all of you guys in my next one. Bye!